Hello everybody, today I am going to talk about how to speak perfect English. Good afternoon ladies and gentlemen. Please don't think that learning English is too difficult. Everything can be mastered if you work hard and practice enough. You can speak wonderful English and have a perfect pronunciation. If you just remember that learning a foreign language takes time, try to find a friend so that you can study and practice together. Don't worry about your mistake. You check with sharing voice and pronunciation. Always follow along and repeat after the speaker on the tape. It's important, making it learning a part of your daily routine. You should talk English at the foot, learning from every mistake that you make.